Do cars work harder in hot weather? Yes, they do. Proper summer vehicle maintenance is key to avoiding these heat-related issues. Heat interferes with your car's ability to operate. Fluids evaporate, circulation is diminished, and pretty much everything has to work a little bit harder. When summer comes around, you'll want to top off your transmission fluid, power steering fluid, coolant, and windshield wiper fluid. Coolant fluid is particularly important to check during the summer months, as its job is to keep your car's engine from overheating. What should I keep in my car during the summer, you might ask? 10 essential items to keep in your car this summer: water, a multi-purpose tool, warning devices, a first aid kit, pet safety restraints, parasol, portable cell phone charger, spare tire, and jack. Before the summer continues, it's always a good idea to test the air conditioning, check your vehicle's tire pressure, get your oil and filter changed, test your brakes, replace your windshield wipers, routinely clean and replace air filters, park your car in the shade, and keep your engine cool.